Hello friends, welcome back to our 25th story from our book Move Mountains One Story at a Time. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can apply a rule of 100% to your journey of public speaking and communication. Keep watching, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do subscribe now by clicking on the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you get to know when I post my next video. A boy and a girl were playing together. The boy had a collection of lot of dolls and the girl had some chocolates. The boy told the girl that he will give her all his dolls in exchange of her chocolates, and the girl very happily agreed. The boy kept best of the dolls, including an automated one that can be operated with the remote, and given all other dolls to the girl, whereas the girl gave him all the chocolates as she had promised. At night, the girl slept peacefully. But the boy was not able to sleep as he kept wondering if the girl had hidden some of the best quality and delicious chocolates from him, as he had hidden his best dolls from the girl. This simple story gives us a profound message that if we don't give our 100% into any relationship, we will always keep doubting whether the other person has given his 100% or not. Now, it's not only about relationships. You have to give 100% in anything that you do if you want to be successful in that particular area. This is applicable to any relationship that we get into, be it workplace or at home. Let us give our 100% in everything that we do and sleep peacefully. Martin Luther King summed up this rule of 100% so beautifully. If a man to be called a street sweeper, he should sweep the street the way Michelangelo painted, Beethoven composed the music, or Shakespeare wrote the poetry. I'm asking you, are you giving your 100% in whatever you do? The 100% rule says that if you want to achieve success in any endeavor, you must be 100% committed to it. 100% means not 99.9%. 100% means that when you give 100%, you will be able to sleep peacefully. When you give 100%, then you adhere to no exception rules. You cannot give any excuses. To understand this 100% rule, you need to close your eyes and keep your hand on your heart and ask yourself, am I passionate about it? Is it most important to me in current times? And does it deserve my attention right now? If the answer is yes to all three of these, that is the thing that you need to work with 100% commitment. Now let's try to understand how do we apply this 100% rule into your public speaking and communication journey. I see a lot of people start playing with public speaking. My request is, don't play with public speaking. How you play with public speaking? Because a lot of people think that public speaking skill is part of our extracurricular activity. No, my friends, if you learn this skill, I would say rather, if you can only do this activity smartly and with your 100% commitment, you will be able to ace any other skill in life. Because as I said in one of my videos, that public speaking is fuel to your confidence. Now let's try to understand how we can apply this rule of 100% into public speaking journey. After asking these three questions, ask yourself this fourth question. What will be the consequences if you are not able to speak confidently in front of your colleagues, friends, or in a group of people? Once you understand the consequences of not being able to speak in front of people, you will realize why you need to give 100% to this skill. Second thing, set up a daily discipline to read, write, or listen to subjects related to public speaking or communication. Number 3, watch every moment of your life carefully and steal stories from those moments and write it down in your story file. These stories will become great content for your journey of public speaking. And the last but not least, find a platform like Toastmasters to practice and for guidance. And don't leave any opportunity to go on the stage. If you start doing these 4 things and create a momentum in your journey of public speaking, you will see magical things start happening in your life. I was at a stage where I had no idea how to speak in front of people. But I adopted these principles in my life. I've never missed a Toastmasters meeting for last 13 years. Rather, I attended more than 1 meeting every week. And these days, I'm attending many meetings because now everything is online. 4 years back, I heard a quote from Dan Rex, the CEO of Toastmasters International. And it says, the main thing is to keep the main thing the main thing. The quote is by Stephen Covey. But when I heard it from Dan Rex, and the kind of passion that was flowing out of this quote, I was mesmerized. What is your main thing? If you cannot keep your main thing the main thing, then they will lose the main thing. So, my friends, it is important to give your 100% attention to your main thing. And your main things in life cannot be more than 5. Is public speaking is in those top 5 things? If it is, then go and apply the simple rules of 100% rule to your main thing, public speaking. Thank you so much for listening to this story from our book, Move Mountains One Story at a Time. Before you go, do write in the comments, are you ready to give your 100% to your main thing? Bye-bye.